Chapter 10. Air, Water and Weather. Let's learn about air, weather, water, seasons. Air. Air is present all around us. We cannot see air, but we can feel it when it moves. Moving air is called wind. When wind blows, it can move several things. Air has no smell of its own. It can be used to fill things and has weight. What does air contain? Air consists of several gases useful for the survival of living things. It contains many gases such as oxygen, nitrogen and carbon dioxide. It also contains dust particles, germs and smoke along with some amount of water known as water vapor. Why do we need air? Take a deep breath. Now release it. What did you take inside your body? Yes, it is air. In order to live, we need to breathe. The air contains a gas called oxygen, which we breathe in. Both humans and animals need oxygen for breathing and in response release carbon dioxide in air. Plants take in this carbon dioxide to make their food. This is known as the process of photosynthesis. During this process, plants release oxygen for humans and animals. Therefore, all living organisms need air to live. Infobit. There is no air present on moon and in space. Water. Water is essential for the survival of all living things. We need water to drink, wash, cook and bathe. Plants need water to make their food. Infobit. About TWP thirds of an adult's body is made up of water. States of water. Water has no fixed shape. It takes the shape of the vessel in which it is kept. For example, water kept in a bucket takes the shape of that bucket. Water can exist in three states: as a solid, as liquid and as gas. What happens when you keep a bottle of water in the freezer? What happens when you heat water? It changes into vapor. You can see steam coming out of a vessel in which water is boiling. Water vapor is a gas. When water vapor cools, it again forms water. So, ice, water and water vapor are the three states of water. Water cycle. In nature also, the form of water keeps changing. The rays of the sun falls on seas, rivers and ponds. This makes the water warm. It changes into water vapor and rises up. This is called evaporation. In the atmosphere, the water vapors get mixed with the cool air and form tiny water droplets. This called condensation. These water droplets form clouds. When more water goes into the clouds, they become heavy and cannot hold any more water vapor. The water then falls as rain. This change of water from one state to another is a continuous process and never stops. This process is called the water cycle. When water vapor in the air cools down, tiny droplets of water are formed. The water droplets join to form clouds. This is the process of condensation. Weather. The condition of wind, rain, sunshine and clouds at a place at a particular time is called weather. Weather conditions may change every day or even from hour to hour. During sunny days, mornings and evenings are cooler. At noon, the sun is right above our heads and its rays fall directly on us. This makes noon the hottest time of the day. During windy days, the air moves and produces a wind. A gentle wind is called a breeze. A strong wind along with thunder, lightning, rain or snow is called a storm. Severe storms can uproot trees and houses. Cloudy day, rainy day. During cloudy days, the sun's rays are blocked by the clouds. The days become a little cooler. During rainy days, it rains and the days become cooler. You should take an umbrella or wear a raincoat when you go out. Seasons. Weather changes every few months. This gives rise to seasons. Summer, monsoon, spring, autumn and winter are the 5 main seasons in India. During summer, the days are sunny and hot. During winter, the days are very cold. It even snows in some places. During the monsoons, clouds bring us rains for many days. During spring, plants are full of flowers. During autumn, trees shed their leaves. Key points. Air is present all around us. Air consists of several gases useful for the survival of living things. Water is important to all living things. Water changes its form in nature by a process called the water cycle. The condition of wind, rain, sunshine and clouds at a particular time is called